Hey, welcome to GoBig Printing. I'm super excited about our property street view postcards. We've made a bunch, and you know what? As always, they're totally editable. So you can change what it says, you can pick your favorite, click on it, zoom in, it auto-populates with your name, with their name, with the site, the city, the address, your information, but you can change it, rewrite it if you want to. It pulls a street view from Google, it sticks it on the back in this case, or you could choose another one where it puts it on the front. It's so easy. Click on order, and as always, you can change the mail merge variables around. So if you want to call out the city or the state, go right ahead. If you want to, like a word editor, change what it looks like in the colors, in the font, and the style, go ahead and change it. It's yours, so no two are alike. It's as simple as that. Just go right down the line. P.S. We saw this on Google, etc. That's probably a good idea to put on there. Choose your paper color, yellow, blue, white. We pick it out for you, so no matter what, it looks good. Include a doodle or not, just turn that on or off. Pick as many lists as you want, right? And we're going to take care of them. We're going to remove duplicates, make sure that no two names are in either list. So pick your lists, approve them, and what we're going to do is map them out to ensure perfect accuracy. So the personalization part, let's not use the full name, let's use first name. And then of course we're going to map out the site address, the site city, state, and zip, because this is going to pull from Google Maps that property and address. And there it is. You can go through 10 records to make sure you mapped it correctly. And now what we do, once it's correct, we compare it against USPS, and that way we can ensure accurate delivery. If it fails our data point validation, we're not going to mail it. So you're not going to pay for it. Once that's approved, you can add another list or keep adding lists. We do title case variable data checks. So if it's all caps, we're going to reduce it to title case so it looks really authentic. We save and continue, and we build a real-time mail merge proof for you. So it shows every property, it shows what you wrote, it shows the variables of the city, the address, the state. There's the property, automatically puts in your information, puts in the street, just as you customized it. In this case, we've pulled out the city that we want to buy in, but shows the property that you're interested in. You can edit the text, you can create a PDF proof, you can change your list, and then when you're ready, mail it. Maybe you want to mail it starting tomorrow, so change it, add a future date. Maybe you want to split your list into up to 8 different splits and mail it out every 14 days. It's simple, just click on it. Maybe you want a real stamp. Add a real stamp, no problem. We do a national change of address listing on every order as well. You can also order mail tracking through AccuTrace if you'd like. Simply click on continue. We automatically send a seed to you, one to us. You get email receipts when it goes out. When it's about to go out, simply click our disclaimer, pay with a credit card, and that's all there is to it. Happy hunting. And you know what? Let's build a Street View postcard for you. Yeah, that's right. We've built 50,000 templates so far. Everything's customizable. Pull in the address, the city, the state. You control it. Now we're adding property views in here. It's unbelievable. Own your own Street View just for you. Quadruple your response. GoBig Printing. Happy hunting.